I was in a serious bind with my student loan.
I had problem with the law of the mortgage company.
I came here for help because I cannot afford a lawyer. I'm a single dad with 4 children.
My main concern was me losing my kids. I didn't want to lose my kids.
Well, they more or less saved my life. I wouldn't have the life I have now if it wasn't for them.
Florida Rural Legal Services Incorporated, or FRLS, is dedicated to providing high-quality civil legal advice, representation, and education for low-income people and communities.
Everybody should be entitled to an attorney, even though I know that everyone doesn't get an attorney.
The basic role of FRLS is to provide free legal assistance to low-income people who cannot afford counsel. We've represented thousands and thousands of clients over the years, and we've become experts in these particular areas where our clients need us most.
Our service area includes 13 distinct and diverse counties in Florida, from the Atlantic Ocean to the Gulf of Mexico. We also have a special unit designated to provide legal services to migrant farm workers throughout the state.
Some people don't understand life of migrant farm workers. They are human beings too, and they deserve to be protected too. They are working so hard in a hot sun all day to provide the food and vegetable they eat every day. There's migrant workers.
In our rural areas, there are fewer social services and other resources. Rural residents may have lower literacy and English proficiency, which makes it even more difficult for them to deal with many of life's problems.
The majority of people who go into court who are not a corporation do not have an attorney with them. And so those people, they have no clue what their rights are.
The mortgage company keep playing me like a ping pong, back and forth, and never got the truth out of them.
How are we going to manage? We're on fixed income, we're retirees. How are we going to do it?
They were calling us like every day, sending us threatening letters every day. Then all of a sudden, all the letters stopped. Now I haven't heard from them in months, and everything worked out.
And I'm grateful.
We're so grateful and happy.
I went through a real hard time, and it was my last resort. I didn't know what else to do.
The people that we've dealt with, you can see the weight taken off of them once they have some representation.
I didn't know who to talk to, and when I contacted them, they were amazing. They really kept me calm about the whole ordeal and made me feel like it wasn't the end of the world.
I walked in here nervous, I came out smiling.
FRLS uses a combination of individual representation, community legal education, and outreach to aid our clients. Florida Rural Legal Services is an organization you should partner with and invest in.
Florida Rural is one of the few places where you can do tremendous work and get true satisfaction from very grateful people.
From time to time, they call us and to let us know how grateful they are for our help.
To see the gratitude and to hear the gratitude that they have makes it all worthwhile.
FRLS has been operating since 1967. We were originally called South Florida Migrant Legal Services. In 1969, we became Florida Rural Legal Services Incorporated.
I'm a paralegal. I've been working with the program 46 years. I was poor myself. I was out there picking tomatoes and fruit and everything else, and I did all those kind of jobs. And I know exactly where they're coming from and the need that they need and everything. So I enjoy helping the people, and that's why I'm still here all this time.
Well, I'm from a small town, Belgley, and I get a lot of personal satisfaction knowing that I help people. When I go home at night, it feels good to help people and let them know that they have opportunities or let them know what their rights are.
Our dedicated staff includes attorneys, paralegals, and support staff. We work with numerous attorneys and lay volunteers and are funded by Legal Services Corporation, Title III Elder Americans Act, and Florida Bar Foundation. We receive local county funding and donations. Florida Rural Legal Services is a valuable organization that provides a valuable service to clients and communities.
Legal problems are always a problem for everybody, but every time the lawyer touches $15, 15 minutes for $100, I can't afford. So I talked to a friend of mine, And they said, just come to this office, ask for help. Here I am.
We continue to help provide civil legal advice, representation, and education for low-income people and communities. We are an organization you should partner with and invest in.
We're working on a lot of innovative programs, and hopefully those innovative programs will allow us to be able to help more people and make a broader impact on the community.
It has been a joy to be associated with some of the fine people that they have here.
Our job is to give clients advice and let them make their own decisions. But once you have all the information and advice, then they can make, we feel, better decisions about legal issues that are affecting them.
If you need the help, they're the greatest advocates you'd ever want. They're outstanding, they're awesome.
Everybody should have a right to counsel in any legal matter.
Call, email, or stop by to help us change lives while advancing justice.